January is the busiest month in EdTech and technology in general. Since many of these technologies will have an impact on education, I wanted to look at the new tech from the perspective of how it enables creativity. Consumer electronics is increasingly impacting education because the purchases of parents and teachers often end up in the hands of their kids. Mobile devices are increasingly being used by learners at a younger age, so any tools that can make mobile video easier to make will have an impact. The DJI Osmo Mobile 2 is an active handheld gimbal that stabilizes video. This version includes a 12-hour battery life and can be used to charge the phone while recording. Osmo Mobile 2 also allows learners to record in portrait mode on their phones, which is becoming more important for social media feeds. I use DJI Osmo for most of my vlogs, so let me know if you'd like to learn about how I use it for making videos on my phone. Toyota showed a new concept autonomous vehicle called ePalette that could be used as a learning space on the go. Many cities are deploying libraries inside a Sprinter van to make reading accessible to learners in remote communities. So autonomous vehicles should make it easier for people outside of big cities to access the hands-on learning that you might get, say, in a makerspace. It also might be a convenient way for many schools to share resources that would be impractical to duplicate in each school. Say a history museum or a Body Worlds exhibit. Mobile learning centers could make it easy to enable learning anytime and any place, especially when people don't have convenient access to hands-on learning such as makerspaces. Speaking of makerspaces, Nintendo recently announced the Labo cardboard accessories for the Nintendo Switch. This device enables learners to construct an accessory using a cardboard template that contains these reflective markers that a camera on the Switch can detect, and it can be used to control a game. The system can detect motion using a string that was attached to a person's arm. This is a great way of introducing learners to the potential of makerspaces, and I could easily see an entire family or classroom personalizing their own cardboard accessories, building them around a theme, and using the software to tell stories that they could share with friends and family. I've seen a lot of research that detects visual markers in the same way, so I think that the creative possibilities will really open up when we can use the camera to detect our own created designs out of cardboard without the need for these pre-cut templates. The YouTube Partner Program allows video creators to monetize their videos and potentially gain revenue from creating content. So this allowed some educational YouTube creators to earn a living. Previously, a channel had to have 10,000 lifetime views before it was eligible for monetization. Well, today the requirement has changed to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time each year. So no accounts are being grandfathered in, so educational channels that previously met the partner program requirement are now being demonetized. So I anticipate that the watch time hours will be a challenge for educational content creators because most educational videos try to be short and concise to maintain learners' attention. A lot of schools and consumers of educational content will benefit because many of these videos will no longer have ads from YouTube. But if you look at some of the most popular educational YouTube channels, they have ads embedded into the video. Creators often make videos because it's their passion. And my hope is that the change in the partner program doesn't discourage fellow creators. I'd be curious how many schools use YouTube Red subscriptions to get rid of the ads. Please let me know in the comments. It's a new year, and I'd like this channel to be about the news or the topics that are of interest to you, especially in work and education. Leave a comment below about a topic that you think you might want me to cover, and if you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to this channel as I'll cover the world of EdTech and how technology is impacting education. So thanks for watching.